What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, I just want to ask you all, whoever is watching out there, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. Let's get this channel to 2,000 subs. The more you guys show me some support and show the channel some love, the more and better content I'm able to go ahead and provide to you guys. So please, it really means a lot, every single sub that you guys go ahead and give me. So let's get this channel to 2,000. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get this video started. So basically, I've been on the Stage 2 Plus tune from Cobb for about 3 to 4 weeks now, and I've driven the car quite a bit. I've taken it on a road trip. I've taken it to the beach, about a 3.5 to 4 hour drive. I've taken it down to James Madison University, about an hour and a half. So I've driven the car a lot, and it's time for a review of the Stage 2 tune. Now, for those of you who know, I just recently got the J-pipe installed, which means that I'm Stage 2. Stage 2 Plus is going to be J-pipe plus an intake. I should have gone that way. Oh well. But anyways, I want you guys to just know, how the car has been running, how fuel efficiency has been, how much quicker the car is, and just my initial thoughts and review of the Stage 2 tune. So first thing I wanted to talk about is how big of a difference the car is as far as how much faster it is. Well, maybe not necessarily faster, but quicker. The car is so much quicker, and it's just so responsive. I was going like 60 miles an hour on the highway the other day, cruising with my friend. I dropped into third gear and just did a 100% wide open throttle pull, and the car, like that, it hit boost like that, and the car took off. And it even caught me by surprise because I was already going at a pretty high speed, and the car just quickly took off. So if you've ever gone from the stock tune to the Stage 1 tune, and and you're hip to how big of a difference it is, where it's like just like wow, like crazy, like you can't even believe how big of a difference it makes. It's literally like doing that all over again. Going from Stage 1 to Stage 2, it's literally like going from that stock tune to Stage 1 all over again. It makes such a big difference. The car is so much more responsive, so much quicker, and it's so much more enjoyable to drive. Just again, it's crazy. And now, as far as how the car has been running itself, the car has been running good. The only thing I've been noticing is that when I go ahead and do a pull, I've been getting a negative 1.41 feedback knock pretty consistently. 9 times out of 10, I do go ahead and get that knock. It's not that big a deal, and I did already speak to a tuner in regards to it, but it's definitely something that you rather keep at 0 than seeing that happen there. But the most important thing is that DAM stays at 1, so that's good. As long as DAM isn't, fluctuating or moving around, then, I mean, you're good. But definitely, as far as being on the Stage 2 tune from Cobb, it's good, but definitely recommend getting a Pro tune whenever you can. Being on the Cobb tune is good. In the meantime that maybe you're getting a Pro tune, or you can't afford one yet and you're saving up, of course the Cobb tune is free. You don't have to pay anything at all for it, so it's a good substitute in the meantime. But definitely go ahead and get a Pro tune whenever you get a chance, because that's when your car will be running the best, and then that's when you're going to be getting the most out of your modifications as well. Now, as far as daily driving the car on the Stage 2 tune, I mean, it's pretty much the same. You only ever really feel the difference when you're doing a pull, and the only difference you're feeling is how much faster the car is. But as far as, drivability, I mean, it's all the same. You're not going to really notice anything if you're just driving normal around town. There's no space for me to do a pull here. I got up to like 65 right there. Like the car just picks up really quick. It's a lot quicker. It's a nice S2000. Look at that. But anyways, fuel efficiency, I mean, I'm still averaging like 26 miles per gallon. So fuel efficiency, it did drop a little bit, but nothing too crazy. On the highway, I'm still easily getting like, 33 to 35 miles per gallon. So fuel efficiency is still there. Didn't really take too much of a hit. And as far as this daily driving, I mean, the car is still running good as well. The only issue that I've kind of been running into is that slight feedback knock, which really isn't that big of a deal while I'm doing like a wide open throttle pull. But other than that, car's been running great. Do I love the Stage 2 tune? Absolutely. I think getting a J-pipe and going Stage 2 is worth every single penny. The car is going to be so quick. I mean, it'll really catch you off guard. It's ridiculous how big of a difference it makes. And other than that, if you guys stayed to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Again, remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. I'm actually going to get some Chick-fil-A right now. It's time for dinner and I'm really hungry. And yeah, we got some stuff coming up for the WRX here soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.